Hello my friends. So on Friday I had my car serviced, and my friend Tim does my servicing of my car, of my VW T1. And so he's building up a nice little Beetle beach buggy thing. So I took a few clips of his progress, and it is pretty amazing. So enjoy the few little things, and then I've also taken a few videos of the stuff that I have, and you can see kind of how it all fits together. Excellent. Stay tuned and enjoy this thrilling short episode. Okay, so let's get ratchet. So you can clearly see these are the forks that extend out of the back of the VW floor pan, which have been cut off, and a plate bolted there. There's the plate. So this piece can get bolted to your project car, and this houses your gearbox. So you can see in the other clips that the floor pan, how this thing is joined to the floor pan. So it's quite a nice illustration of how this thing works. It was quite interesting to see how the front suspension bolts onto that floor pan. So your Beetle floor pan sort of goes into that point, and that sort of triangular piece in the front is where your front wheels go in. So your wheel arches basically come out of that front point there, and then you saw the 4 bolts on the front of the Beetle pan where the front suspension bolts on. So that's really interesting to see. Once you've unbolted the shell of the body off of that pan, you can see how basic the Beetle floor pan is. Just that square section, square section with a triangle on the front suspension bolted on the front, and then you've got those 2 forks at the back, and you've got the gearbox bolted into those forks. Very cool. Okay, until next time, like, subscribe, and do things. Great. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next time.